Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with a broken power button. First, you'll need to enable Assistive Touch in your iPhone's accessibility settings. Once activated, a small on-screen button will appear. To initiate Apple Pay, simply double-tap this Assistive Touch button. This action will bring up your default payment card, ready for your transaction, providing a seamless alternative when your physical power button isn't functioning. It's a convenient workaround for a common issue. To set this up, open your iPhone Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then select Touch, and finally, Assistive Touch. Toggle the switch to turn Assistive Touch on. Once enabled, you'll see a small, translucent button on your screen. Now, you can customize its actions, specifically setting the double-tap gesture to activate Apple Pay, making it incredibly efficient for your payment needs. After enabling Assistive Touch, you'll want to customize its functionality. Go back into the Assistive Touch settings. Look for the double-tap option. Tap on it, and a list of actions will appear. Scroll through the options and select Apple Pay. This crucial step assigns the double-tap gesture on the Assistive Touch button to directly open your Apple Pay wallet, ensuring quick and easy access to your payment methods without relying on the power button. Once you've double-tapped the Assistive Touch button and Apple Pay appears, you'll need to authenticate your purchase. If you have Face ID enabled, simply look at your phone. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. After successful authentication, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. The transaction will complete within a few seconds, indicated by a check mark on your screen, allowing you to pay securely and conveniently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.